Self, formerly Self-Lender, Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. You can find links to the product in the description below if you'd like to explore it. Self is a credit repair tool that focuses on helping users build or rebuild their credit, especially if they have a thin or damaged credit history. Originally known as Self-Lender, Self offers a unique product that's not a traditional credit repair service, but more of a credit-building solution. It's designed for individuals who are new to credit or need to repair their score by demonstrating positive credit behavior over time. The platform works by offering Credit Builder loans, where you deposit money into a locked savings account, and the lender reports your payments to the major credit bureaus. Essentially, you're borrowing money from yourself, and by making on-time payments, you build a positive payment history, which can boost your credit score. One of the standout features of Self is its flexibility and low barrier to entry. With plans starting as low as $25 per month, it's an affordable option for those looking to build credit without paying high fees. It also offers a credit monitoring service, which tracks your credit score and provides regular updates, helping you see how your actions are impacting your credit. Self doesn't require a credit check to start, which makes it accessible to those with no credit or low scores. The strength of Self lies in its simplicity, affordability, and the fact that it reports to all three major credit bureaus, ensuring you get the full impact of your positive payment history. It's a great option for people who are focused on building credit from scratch or improving a damaged score. However, its weaknesses include the fact that it's not a fast-track solution. Building credit with Self takes time, typically several months, and you'll need to keep up with your payments to see results. Also, while it helps with building credit, it doesn't offer dispute resolution or other advanced credit repair services, which some people might need. In conclusion, Self is a fantastic option for individuals looking to build credit from the ground up, especially those with no credit or poor credit who need a hands-on, budget-friendly way to improve their scores. If you're committed to making regular payments and have patience, Self is a solid tool to help you on your credit journey.